coal combustion and coal combustion and the environment, conclusion and reference. So let's start with what is coal. Coal is a phytoorganosedimentary metamorphosed rock given by the starch in 1982, and second is Tishmuller. According to Tishmuller, in 1989, the coal is defined as a rock derived mainly from plant remains that suffered petrification and coalification. The name of coal is derived from the word kala, which means black. It is Sanskrit word derived in Rig Veda. On the basis of utility, it is also called a black diamond. And characteristic of coal. Coal has got many characteristics of good fuel. Hence, in India, about 80% of electricity is generated by burning of coal. And next is, coal is a heterogeneous fuel and has only an assumed structure of carbon and hydrogen and varies highly from mine to mine, from seam to seam. Coal, complete of coal combustion will depend upon how the carbon rings are formed and bounded. Some coals are burned slowly and require more residence time in the furnace. And this is my topic, combustion. Combustion is a rapid chemical reaction between fuel and oxygen. During combustion, combustible elements of coal like carbon, sulfur, hydrogen combines with oxygen and produce heat along with respective oxides. The substance undergoing combustion is called combustible substance. The energy produced during combustion is usually in the form of heat and light, and the material compounds is also fundamental to the combustion properties, since different material groups combust the different temperature and rates. This is the figure of combustion of coal. And combustion of mechanism. The actual mechanism process for fossil fuel proceed in one of two ways. First is blue flame combustion and second is yellow flame combustion. The blue flame combustion is the oxygen reacts with hydrocarbon and formed hydroxylated compounds. The flame resulting from the combustion of these compounds is a blue or non-luminous flame. And this second is yellow flame combustion. Introduction of fuel and air at the burner with no pre-mixing and heating of the reactant. The flame resulting from this mode of combustion is a yellow or luminous flame. And flame is a zone of combustion. It is three types: inner zone, middle zone and outer zone. Inner zone are unburned vapor of fuel, and middle zone are partial combustion of vapor of fuel takes place, and the outer zone where complete combustion of vapor and fuel takes place. Next is constituents of combustion of coal. The constituents of coal such as carbon, hydrogen and oxygen takes part in the process. Oxygen combines with carbon of the coal and produce carbon dioxide. Due to this reaction, heat is generated. Similarly, hydrogen combining with oxygen formed water. Due to this reaction, that heat is also produced. The more we have carbon and hydrogen in a coal, we get more heat from the coal. And this is the type of combustion of coal. There are three types of combustion of coal. First is rapid combustion, second is spontaneous combustion, and third is explosion combustion. First is a rapid combustion. This is combustion of which coal burns rapidly and produces heat with the help of external heat. And that's spontaneous combustion, which coal burns spontaneously without any external heat. And the explosion, this is combustion in which coal burns suddenly and produce heat with the help of external heat or pressure. This is also called a rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion. And following the three conditions are must for combustion. First is fuel, second is air, and third is heat. And whole combustion process. For combustion process, temperature, turbulence and time are most important. Temperature. Fuel must reach ignition temperature, and for a stable flame, this temperature must be mentioned. For coal ignition, temperature is in the range of 400 to 425 degrees centigrade, and the turbulence is help each particle to quickly contact the necessary oxygen molecule for rapid combustion with minimum excess air. And the third is time. Depending on the fuel particle size, some time is needed for complete combustion. This time for complete combustion is reduced by turbulence and rise